ever hear the story of the boy that cried wolf? Just to get attention, he kept on crying wolf. And the people, they all cried and ran, and the farmers locked away all their lambs. And the boy just smiled and said, there's no danger, I'm crying wolf. I must admit I'm just the same, and I've been playing boyish games. I cried in front of all my friends, I cried to hide my wolfish grin. There's no danger from the crying wolf. Yeah. Say yeah. Tricks. It ate him up and licked its lips. And I've been crying wolf, and I'm in danger now. A real wolf just showed me how much it hurts. How much it hurts. Crying wolf. Hear the story of the boy that